Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Well, all I can say is damn you Kmart, damn you and your cute Christmas decor. I wasn't going to buy any Christmas decor this year because after all the crap that I bought last year, I honestly thought I was done. Like I thought there can't possibly be any more Christmas crap that I need. But yeah, of course, Kmart brings out some cute stuff. How can you say no when the prices are so cheap? So I've gone and done it again. I've got a whole Christmas haul, pretty much just from Kmart. And they haven't even really started bringing out all the good stuff yet. So this is just the stuff that was trickling on the shelves. Probably some of it might not have even made it to the shelf. It might still have been on the trolley that they were packing onto the shelf, and I may or may not have taken it straight off the trolley. So yeah, I've got a Kmart Christmas haul for you guys. Oh my God, like they have got so much nice stuff out. I want to buy it all again. So I've got two themed colors going, because I do a rose gold theme Christmas in our main bedroom, like mine and my husband's bedroom. And then for the rest of the house is just the traditional red and white with a bit of green. But yeah, mostly just like the red and white in the rest of the house. So there'll be some items that obviously I've just got for my master bedroom. And then all the reddish coloured stuff will be for the main living areas. So shall we start with the rose gold stuff? We may as well. So first little packet I got were these little reindeers, rose gold and gold. They were $2. Like, how adorable are they? So they will either go on my tree or somewhere in my bedroom when I start decorating for Christmas. So yeah, I didn't have these last year, so I got them this year. So that's those. The next thing I bought, I'm not going to say it's Kmart because all of this is, apart from two items which I'll show you at the end that were actually from Spotlight. Oh, and there may be a couple of things from Big W. But let's just do all the Kmart stuff first. So was this rose gold star. It was $5. It's a ceramic star, so it's quite heavy and, you know, quite a decent quality. And yeah, that again will be going somewhere in my bedroom to decorate for. The next rose gold beauty was this reindeer. He was $7. And again, he's going to go in my bedroom with the rose gold to decorate for Christmas. He is so cute. I like that one. Oh, the other thing, I finally bought one. I haven't bought one and I was wanting to buy one, but I never really found one I liked. And I finally found one I liked. It's a Nutcracker. He, again, is a rose gold one, so he'll be going in my bedroom. He was $10. They have various sizes. They've got small ones, I think ones that are about up to the shoulder, these ones, and then big massive ones as well. So that's him. The other thing I bought were, now I had to make my own last year because I couldn't find anything anywhere, but these are tree picks. So they're like a peacock feather shape and in the rose gold, and I will use those to put in my tree. They were quite expensive for Kmart, I thought. They were $6 for a 2-pack, but I mean, the rose gold just sucks me in every time. It's almost like it hypnotizes me. It's like rose gold. I don't even look at the price. It's just rose gold and I take it. So yeah, but they'll look nice on the tree anyway, just somewhere at the top as a bit of a tree pick in there. The other thing I bought, which I missed out on last year, I did manage to grab a few, but they had all run out, were these other tree picks. Now, these are only $2, so that's a more decent price. I didn't get any rose gold ones last year, but I did manage to pick up a few red ones for my main Christmas tree. But I've got a couple of gold ones. I only just got 4 of them just to put in my bedroom tree. Because my bedroom tree is actually white. So I do it sort of all rose gold with the white tree. It looks quite nice. So they, like I said, were $2 each, and I got 4 of those. So I picked up this tiny little tree, a little tiny rose gold tree, Christmas tree ornament. It was only $1. Whether I put it on the tree or just decorate it somewhere around my house, I just got that one. Also from Kmart, now this is all the reddish sort of coloured stuff. I found these berry picks. There's 2 in a pack. I bought 2 boxes of them because they were $4, and you can never have enough berry picks, in my opinion. I don't think anyone's ever said, wow, I've got too many berry picks. I've never heard anyone say that anyway, so I'm assuming you can never have too many berry picks. So I bought 2 of them, and there's 2 in each pack. So I will use those either just in vases. I don't think these ones are going to go on my tree as such, but I'll just use those in vases and to decorate around my home. I really, really like those mainly because they're more realistic looking and they're not the glittery. I mean, you know, as much as I like everything glittery and blingy, but I sometimes just like a bit more of a natural look as well. So they will look nice somewhere in the kitchen or main living area. Also, because with that same sentiment, you can't have too many berry picks. Neither can you have too many berry branches. So I bought a couple of berry branches. These were also from Kmart. They don't have a price on, but I want to say they're about $2 each. And again, I will use those to decorate in some vases and maybe on my tablescape, just to bring a bit of red colour to and a bit of Christmas vibe to the decorating. So those 2. And also for our main Christmas tree, I did get a couple of those peacock feather ones in the red. Again, there's a 2-pack there, and they were $6. So yeah, our tree is quite big, and it can always be fuller. So I just thought I'd buy those to put in amongst the branches to fill up a few little spaces. So that's those. Now, these little things, these were all from Kmart. I'll show you each one at a time because there's quite a few. So the first little guy is this little truck with the tree on top. Now these ones, they're only all these next couple of items are either $1 or $2 each, and you can use them as a Christmas tree ornament, but I like to use them I do a lot of vignettes around the house, like little displays with, you know, tiered trays with some little Christmassy things in, or I've got the wooden stackable Christmas tree from Kmart last year that I like to put little miniature things in. So a lot of these things are actually going to be for that rather than actual Christmas tree ornament. So the first one's this little truck with the tree on the back. That was $2. So this little miniature wreath, again, I'll be using that in amongst my little vignettes, and that was $2. I got a couple more of these are actually Target because that's all I got from Target. So a couple more of those reindeers. I think they were about $1 or $2 each. Again, I'll be using them in my little vignettes. I got another one of those little Christmas trees, but this time in white. That one again was $1. This little guy, this was one of the tiny Nutcrackers. Again, I'll be using him in a vignette. He was only $3 he was. So a little tiny Nutcracker there, also Kmart. I also bought a couple of these little clay. They're made out of, like, I think polymer clay, I'm pretty sure. Doesn't say, but they're all, were they $1 each? So these are like little polymer clay. I mean, you can hang them on your tree, but again, I'll be using those in some of my vignettes as well. The Gingerbread Man with a little chunk taken out of him. So they were only $1 each. They're all Kmart as well. Got to be careful with those. I feel like they would break quite easily. Another thing from Kmart, again for a vignette, is a little Santa's Magic Key. So I'll display that somewhere on one of my vignettes. I thought that was really cute. That was only $2. And the other little cute thing from the tree hanging part was this little letters to Santa mailbox. It's actually a metal one, and that was $2. And these are all where the individual ornaments are. They're all in like sort of their own little box, so you have to really search for them. So that one was really cute. That will go in one of my little tiered tray vignettes. The other little guy I bought was this little one. He is super cute. He did have a few friends I've seen on the Kmart website. I think he's got a couple of standing friends. Didn't find any of them. Didn't even find any more of these. He was just randomly stuck on a shelf somewhere. So I picked him up. He was $7. And I really like the look of him. And I'll probably go back and try and find the other two mates that go with him and display those somewhere around the house. So I said he was $7. Yeah, so he's quite cute. And then the last thing from Kmart was... Oh, I bought another pack of these. It's just a star garland. I'm not actually going to probably be using these for Christmas. I may be using these for Halloween. I may paint them and use them for Halloween, or I may not. I'm not sure yet. Or they may just be like normal decor around my house. Yeah, not necessarily for Christmas though. So I'm not sure yet. But they were only $4 for a garland of the beads. So I thought that was quite good value, because it would cost you more than that to buy a packet of the beads and make it yourself, really. So that's a good buy. And I got a packet of ribbon, Christmas ribbon. One says do not open until the 25th of December. And then the other one is like baker's twine. And the other one's red with some white stars on it. And that pack was $3.50, also from Kmart. So I'll probably be either making like a little planner bookmark out of that, one of those ribbons for my planner for Christmas, and also probably using it as a bit of like wrapping ribbon as well. Now from Big W, I also picked up a couple of little... Again, I'm obsessed with my little vignettes and my little tiered trays. So I'm always looking for like little creatures that can go in these tiered trays and vignettes. So these guys were all from Big W. Now, Big W is a little bit pricier when it comes to everything, I find anyway. Big W used to be my go-to store until Kmart picked up its game. And now I very rarely shop at Big W. And I'll be honest, the Big W at Port Macquarie is pretty pathetic anyway. Like it's such a small shop. And yeah, the homewares section is basically probably 2 aisles, 3 meters long. That's it. Like they've got nothing. Like there's never anything that's actually advertised. They never have it in stock. So I very rarely shop there, but I was there looking for Halloween stuff because Kmart didn't actually do any Halloween decor this year. Well, I don't think they ever really do it, but yeah, so I was in there looking for Halloween stuff, and I thought I'd just have a little look at the Christmas aisle, and I found these gorgeous little creatures, even though they were a little bit more expensive than I would normally pay at Kmart. So we've got this little owl. He's like a plastic owl. He was $2. This little, we call him, is he a squirrel? I think he's a squirrel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's a squirrel. He's got like sort of fake fur on him. He was $4. And again, these are all for my little vignettes. And this little robin, what do we call, are they a robin? I don't know. I don't know my creatures. He was actually $5, but you know, he's cute. So I thought I'd get him. And then this little guy, he was $4, and it's like a mason jar with a couple of reindeer in like a little woodland theme, and it's got sort of fake snow in it as well. So that will be displayed on one of my tiered shelves as well. This little deer hanging one, again, that will probably be displayed on a vignette, and that was $3. And last couple of things from Spotlight were, I bought some of these. They're from the Nordic range. I'm pretty sure that the Spotlight calls it the Nordic range, with this tartan sort of colour. And they were $4, and they're just napkins for Christmas, because I've got like a Nordic table setting theme going at Christmas, which I really love. And it's very hard to find this pattern in Australia. It's not that popular at the moment. You can get the green and red tartan, but the grey and red, it's quite hard to find, I find. I haven't really been able to find it anywhere. So those are just napkins I bought for our table. I also bought this red and white checkered piece of material. I only got half a metre. It was $5, and I just planned to make a couple of Christmas cushions out of it, just to give it that sort of cabin type country Christmas feel. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm trying to say. And then the last thing I bought from Spotlight was this scrapbooking paper pad. Let me get it open for you. It's a Christmas themed paper, absolutely gorgeous. I bought the small paper pad the week before, and that I think I showed you in my planner supplies video. But this is the bigger pad because I want to make some planner dividers with these sheets for Christmas, because I just think that it's just beautiful, beautiful papers in here. Oh God, can you see? So I think you get 2 of each pattern. But yeah, I want to make a couple of Christmas dividers out of this paper for my planner. There's just some beautiful, beautiful looking pages in there. And I can't remember how much this was. I think it might have been $15, $15 or $20. So yeah, really, really happy with that. There's got some really nice papers in there. And there's also a page that's got like cutouts and tags and things as well, which I really like. So that's in Spotlight at the moment. They were selling out pretty quick in my Spotlight. So if you're after that sort of colour scheme for any scrapbooking or, you know, planner needs, have a look. They were actually 30% off at the time when I bought this as well. So that was quite a good saving. So yeah, considering I had bought all my Christmas decor last year and I didn't think I could possibly need any more, damn you Kmart, bringing out awesome bloody Christmas decor. So yeah, I've just gone and done it again, and no doubt this won't be the last one. So you'll probably see more hauls from me between now and Christmas, but what can you do? It's fun, isn't it? Like, there's not really any harm in it, as long as you've still got food on the table. Or at least if you don't have food on the table, your table will look pretty with all the Kmart decor sitting on it. Either way. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.